Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fall home decor haul, and I know it's a little bit early for some of you because it is like mid-July right now, but I have so many people on my channel who love and adore fall year-round just like me. And besides that, a few of the items that I'm going to show you are things that you need to know about right now if you want to get them for the fall. Either I have one item that took a month to get to me, and I knew it was going to take a month to get to me, so I ordered it a while ago that I want to share with you. And then there's another item that is limited edition, limited stock, and already picked over, so I want to share it with you so you can get your hands on it in time for fall. And the last thing that I kind of want to talk about before we get into what I purchased, I wanted to kind of put my feelers out there because my girl Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner and I were texting a couple weeks ago, and I was actually sending her pictures from the Pier 1 website because all of their fall decor is online and actually has been online since like the end of May. And so I sent her a picture of something that I really liked, and she was like, "Oh, that's pretty, but you can make that yourself." And then she was like, "Wait, we should do an open collaboration where we take a higher end or a higher priced fall decor item and dupe it with a DIY for more affordable." So I thought that was a great idea, and I just kind of wanted to get a feel for if anybody else would be interested in participating in this collaboration. And we'd be happy to make it an open collaboration. Otherwise, we'll just do it between the two of us or do something else. But yeah, if you are interested, please leave a comment below so I can kind of get an idea how many people are going to be joining and start to get the rules and stuff together, because fall is coming, you guys. It'll be here before we know it, and I'm so excited. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the haul. So the first place that I stopped is Kirklands. And I am sorry, you guys, if the lighting is weird. I have no lights on in my house, and it's kind of like a cloudy day with little pockets of sunshine. So we're just working with natural sunlight that's coming into my house right now. So hopefully the lighting is okay or decent for you guys. So Kirklands has their scent sachets, the fall ones in, and they actually have quite a bit of their harvest decor in. Not all of it. The sales associate there said there's still more to come in the next couple weeks, but I did take some footage while I was in there. So if you guys are like itching to see what's to come at Kirklands, leave a comment below and I'll just whip up a real quick video. I think it was like maybe 10 minutes worth of footage that I could put together for you before everything comes into the store. Just let me know. But I picked up 2 scent sachets. Kirklands has never smelled so good before as when I walked in today. So this one is called Blessed Beyond Measure. Autumn apple with notes of warm vanilla, cinnamon, cloves, and spices sweetened with crisp red apples. This is spicy, but since it has the apple in it, I love spiced apple scents, but I don't like really spicy scents unless they have apple or something to kind of tone it down. So this one is really good. And then this one is called Grateful, Thankful, Blessed, and it has notes of orange citrus with spices of cinnamon and clove. This is a spicy citrus, and not much to say here, you guys. They smell really good and they're very strong. I'm gonna put one underneath my kitchen sink and one in our coat closet. We actually haven't even unpacked our coats yet, if I'm being honest. But this is gonna go in there because it's a little bit musty in both of those places, so those are great. The only other thing I purchased is this candle. This is the Cobblestone Candle Company, and it is home-baked cookies. This is actually not a fall scent, but whenever something is bakery, it just reminds me of fall. And this was on sale for $7.97. They were clearancing out all of the like summer and spring stuff with an additional 25% off. So this was $5 and some change. I've never tried one of their candles. I've heard mixed reviews, so hopefully this burns well. It smells It seriously smells like a chocolate chip cookie baking, so I got that. Now let's talk about the item that took about a month to get to me. I was shopping on wish.com for something for my bachelorette party survival kits, which I am going to make a video about and put up shortly. And I came across what I purchased, and I'm going to show you in a second. And it is something that I've wanted for quite a while, but it's very, very expensive when I have looked for it before, because I'll just show it to you. How about that? It is this really chunky knit blanket, and I see this all the time in like Pinterest home photos or on Instagram home photos. You see this a lot in like the kind of Scandinavian style decor and the hygge style decor, and this is a pretty large blanket. If you try to purchase one of these, you usually find them on Etsy, and they're handmade, and they cost $100+ for small ones. So when I saw it on Wish, I think the largest size, which is what this one is, maybe cost $45, and then like maybe $10 in shipping or something like that. So I did just go ahead and pick it up. Now I do want to say that I do like to support Etsy shops and, you know, things that are not like made in China like this, but this was just out of my price range for what it was otherwise, so I did just decide to order it from Wish. And I'm going to try to hold it up so you can see how big it is. Hopefully you can get an idea for how big this is. And it's pretty much exactly what I wanted. I will say it is very easy to snag this, so this will probably end up being one of those look but don't touch items in my house that Jose hates. He hates pillows he can't lay on, towels he can't use, utensils that, you know, you can't cook with, that kind of thing, but it'll just snag too easily, and yeah, it's going to be more of a decor piece. So I'll link everything that I can below in case you're interested in getting it for yourself. And yeah, that left a ton of fuzz behind. Let me see if I can show you. Can you guys see? Can you guys see the fuzz all on my knee from that? Yeah, it does leave fuzz behind, so be aware of that. So the next items that I have to share with you are the items that I was saying sell out quickly, because they are limited edition and seasonal, and there's only so much of them. And I know that these are just going to fly, and some people are going to miss out on them because I have missed out on them in the past. And they are the seasonal Mrs. Meyers fragrances. My beloved apple cider came back. This is so good. And the display was very small of them. They could only fit maybe like 6 or 7 of these on a row, and so like there was only 6 or 7 of this, and then 6 or 7 of the hand soaps, you know what I mean? So I was only able to get 2 of the apple cider one. I am going to order more as soon as they are online on Grove Collaborative. They're $3.99 at Target, and I think Grove is a little bit cheaper, and I have free shipping with Grove. So I got the apple cider in the multi-surface spray, I got it in the dish soap, and I also got it in the hand soap, and I want to get like 10 of them so that I have them year round, because it is a scent that I will use year round. 10 of the multi-surface spray. This lingers, it's so good, you gotta get it. And then you already saw I picked up this, and this is the new pumpkin scent. I know people are gonna go crazy over this. I'm not wild about just straight up pumpkin or pumpkin spice is really what, when they say pumpkin scented, they mean pumpkin spice. But I'm not crazy about just straight up pumpkin spice. This smells like it might have a little bit of sweetness to it, maybe like a caramel note or something. I'm not quite sure. Or it's just like a toned back pumpkin spice, because I can tolerate this and I do like it. So I got the spray, the multi-surface. I just got one of the whole set, so the hand soap and the dish soap, just because, like I said, pumpkin spice isn't quite my favorite, and I would rather delegate my funds to this one, which, if you've never smelled this one before, it smells exactly like apple cider, sweet with a hint of like mulling spices, nothing too spicy. It's delicious. Oh my gosh. This is like, this will make you have your house so sparkly clean because you'll just want to smell this over and over again, and you know that you need to clean in order to use it. So yeah, I love this. Okay, so the last two items are from Pier 1, and these are not distinctly fall, but they are these sprigs of eucalyptus. I love to have a vase with eucalyptus like at all times in my house. It's kind of been my thing here at my new house. And it's hard to find eucalyptus right now in the summer because it's all on back order for weddings. So I wanted to just get one to have out year round basically, but I did use eucalyptus a lot in my fall decor last year, so I am going to do that again this year. So these are $4.50 a piece, but there was a site-wide sale when I got these, so they were discounted like 20%, I think, and I got 6 of them. So they're pretty big. The only thing is that my order got canceled at Pier 1 because I placed my order while I was at work, and my work computer has like an autofill setting when you're like checking out somewhere where it will just like autofill the addresses. And so it autofilled with like an address that didn't match my debit card, that didn't match the shipping, you know what I mean? And so they canceled my order. And so when I called to replace the order, she said that these were in low stock online and I had to pick them up in my store. So I'll try to link them if they're available online, but you could call Pier 1 if you want these, and they'll let you know if it's in stores near you. Oh, I forgot to show this from Target. They have the pumpkin seed bark thins in. These are only out like during the colder weather months. Like, I mean, they start in July, but these will go away for the spring, or at least I don't see them in the spring, and I love these. They're not pumpkin spice flavored. They just have pumpkin seeds in them, so they're like savory and sweet, and I love these. So if you like these too, they are at Target now. This last thing is my absolute favorite and the most fall item of all, and it is this wreath here. And this is from Pier 1. I ordered this like 3 weeks ago, you guys. I've had this for quite a while. I didn't want to bombard you guys too early. I know it's still early, but I'm obsessed with this. I have been eyeing this for a month now, and I'm going to put this on my front door. You guys know I do pretty neutral inside, and I am going to do that this year, but I want to do pops of seasonal colors, but muted seasonal colors, like rusty orange and olive green and things like that. I want to incorporate a little bit more color, but I'm still going to be pretty neutral. But when it comes to outside, all bets are off. So I thought it was really fun that these pumpkins are like a bright, vibrant orange. It's going to look great on my front door. And I have already decided that I am obsessed, 100% obsessed with velvet pumpkins for this fall. So I'm going to be on the hunt for like larger velvet pumpkins to put inside. And this does have cotton on it too, so it's like, this is really fun because it's like a mix of so many different kinds of styles. It's kind of neutral, but then it has the loud bright oranges, it has the velvet, which is kind of glam, and the cotton, which is kind of farmhouse. I just think it's so cool, and it's very light, so you could hang, if you have like a piece of art or a mirror that you like to hang a wreath on, this would be perfect for that. The back is just like all of the stems kind of like connected, and ooh, my hair is caught. It does have this little wire to hang it up. Got this on sale, full price $24.99, which was a really good price for a decent sized wreath from Pier 1, but they were doing a site-wide sale of wreaths, and the fall wreaths were included, so I got this for $19.99. So I can definitely link this below for you guys if you're interested. That's it for my haul, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. Again, I know it's a little bit early, but I don't want you to miss out on any of the fall goodies. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. I do have my bachelorette party survival kits coming up in a video. That's going to be very summery for those of you who want to bask in summer for as long as you can. And then I have a home decor haul that is non-seasonal stuff coming too, so stick around for that. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending a little time with me today, and hopefully I will see you back in my next video. Bye guys.